Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In order for us to provide you with higher quality content, you can like and leave a comment to determine the topic of the next video. You can also join our Telegram group in the description to stay updated with current news, and use the links for the top 2 cryptocurrency exchanges. Wow, did you hear about the staggering 14 trillion Shiba Inu? It's like, what on earth is going on, right? And hey, why is the whole crypto market suddenly pulling back? Oh, and by the way, there were these inflation numbers that were released today. Any idea what that means? But before I go on, can I just ask for a favor? Could you give me a big smile and hit that like button? Let's also do the Shiba shake, just for fun. So, at this moment, Shiba Inu is at 0.5, and it's down by 1.84% on the day. It seems like Shiba broke out of that upward trend, but we're keeping an eye on the daily chart to see what unfolds. Now, shifting gears a bit, let's talk about those PCE numbers, the ones that measure inflation. The Fed's preferred inflation gauge rose to 3.3%, right in line with the expected 3.3%. The core PCE inflation also rose to 4.2%, just as predicted. It's like a tug-of-war with inflation, right? Even though the numbers matched expectations, the market is still reacting, trying to figure out what's up. And guess what? The crypto markets decided to do a complete U-turn, retracing all that hype from the grayscale victory pump. It's like clockwork, sell the news event, and that's the market's signature move. Whenever there's a tiny upward blip, some folks jump up shouting that the crypto bull market is back. But hang on, let's not get too ahead of ourselves. The crypto market dances to its own tune, and it usually doesn't hit a new all-time high before Bitcoin's halving event. Speaking of which, the next Bitcoin halving is set for April 2024. So, don't get too caught up in the excitement of a 20% rise being the bull market signal. This crypto realm has its own rhythm. A true bull market here is when we're inching closer to those previous all-time highs. Maybe it's like Bitcoin being at $50,000, we've seen this pattern of up and down spikes before, and it's like a roller coaster of emotions, isn't it? Now, onto something fascinating. Robinhood, the 5th largest Ethereum holder, decided to throw a whopping 14 trillion Shiba Inu into the mix within just 20 days. It's intriguing, right? They're kind of like the cool kid at the crypto party, accumulating assets left and right. First, there was that hefty Bitcoin edition, and now they've gone all in on Shiba Inu, as if they're prepping for the crypto equivalent of the Olympics. They're stacking up, like, hey, we've got your Shiba Inu right here. But why the sudden interest in Shiba Inu? There's this idea that it might be linked to the opening of Shibarium's Layer 2 scalability solution, but who knows? It's like a puzzle, and we're trying to figure out the pieces. On the flip side, some might argue that Robinhood's Shiba stash is about ensuring they've got enough ammo to handle demand. They don't want to be caught off guard like FTX, right? If folks want to buy Shiba Inu like crazy, Robinhood's ready to deliver. And who knows, they might have a secret plan for riding the crypto waves and making a tidy profit. As for the crypto market, it's a bit indecisive at the moment. The recent news wasn't enough to launch it into the stratosphere. There's a pattern to this. The algorithms and hedge funds seem to want the market to stay put for now. They're not ready to let it skyrocket just yet. You know, it's like a dance between the market and its manipulators. They're like, stay right here, little crypto, and play nice. Even though we've got good news, the market seems to have its own ideas. It's a waiting game, really. The real excitement will come when the market truly starts buzzing and everyone's jumping in, from cab drivers to hairdressers. So, let's hang in there and be patient. The crypto market has its own rhythm, and it's a rollercoaster we've all willingly hopped onto. Don't forget to hit that like button, spread some positivity with a smile, and let's keep an eye on the market. Until next time, let's ride this crypto journey and see where it takes us.